Welcome to 6302 East Korean Drive, situated in the sought-after Magic zip code. The long living room with a cozy gas fireplace leads into the updated granite kitchen. Right around the corner, the dining room is open to the family room for easy entertaining. The gracious split plan features a private entry for secondary bedrooms, while the sitting room master suite is tucked in the opposite wing. The expansive half-acre plus lot features covered patios, a sparkling pool, RV gate and parking, and mature trees for privacy. Two private entries reveal the attached guest quarters with bath, perfect for use as a fifth bedroom, workshop, studio, home gym, or office for the work-at-home professional.